talked to each other, and I wanted to hear how her English was. And I spoke to her, and her English was very, very well. And in fact, she had already like had a couple of like sales and marketing jobs and done some cold calling. So she already knew how to talk on the phones and everything, you know, and stuff like this. And so I said, okay, well, this is your job. Just, this is what I want you to do. And I showed her exactly what I want to do, which I'm going to show you in just a second. And then it took her a couple of days to do it, and it looked awesome. And so I'm really pleased with her job and her work, and I'm looking forward to working with her. I think she could be a great asset to the team, and she's very excited about coming full time on. And she basically told me when I talked to her, she's like, look, I'm looking for work. She's like, I need money. I need to work. I will do the best I possibly can, but I need an income to come in. And so I said, sure, yeah, let's do it. So I mean, and I talked to her, and $7 an hour is actually quite good over there. And I just had an interview with another person. His name's Nikolai as well too. And I talked to him. I said, is it $7? Okay. And he said, $7. That would be awesome. Can I get $7 an hour? He was like so excited about $7 an hour. So anyway, $7 an hour is quite a lot of money over in the Philippines. And okay, so anyway, so Karen is now like working for us, and I'm going to show you exactly what she did. So basically, I'm showing you how we found 10 owners in one day and that wanted to sell. This is exactly our process. I hired somebody to do this. All right. Okay. Excited? If you're excited, put yes in the comments. So at least I know you're excited. Okay, so let me move this out of the way. Okay. Now, first things first, what I did is I gave her the area that I was interested in buying storage. All right. And I just did that on Google Maps. Okay. So I went to Google Maps, and actually what I wanted to do is I wanted to set up the route of which we're going to drive and find all the storage facilities, you know, for my infield training day. So basically for Storage Nerds, which is my coaching program, we do an infield training day like once every couple of months. And it really just depends on where I'm at, where we're going to do the infield training day. Because, you know, I live in an RV and travel full time. And so we happen to be in the Austin area right now. I'm originally from Austin, so we were going to, you know, hang out here and visit family for a little bit. And as you can see, I'm over here in this is Open Air Resorts, is this like RV park that we're at. And we're in the Spicewood area outside of Austin. All right, so I'm going to zoom out. And that's Pete. Pete's not here because Pete's taking Lillian to a ninja class. Lillian is my daughter. She's 5 years old. That's we own Miss Lillian Self Storage, and Lillian is my daughter. And Pete is with Lillian at the ninja class. She does a ninja class. Little ninjas. It's like it's like ninjas, like not like karate chopping, but like the ninja course where you like jump around and you do like the climb up the walls and stuff like that. That's what she does. Okay, anyway, so he's there and I'm here. Okay, so what I wanted to do for the infield training day, we had 16 people like come into Austin to spend the day with me, and I wanted to create a route for them of storage facilities that we could go to that may be interested in selling. Okay, that was basically the goal of this project that Karen was helping us with. Okay, and to find owners that want to sell. Okay, so what I told Karen was that I wanted to start in Liberty Hill. All right, and then I wanted to drive to like Buchanan Dam. Let me see, Buchanan Dam, and then to Marble Falls, and then back home to Spicewood. Okay, so as you can see, this is our route right here. So we started in Liberty Hills. We went through Bertram, Burnett, Buchanan, Actually, I told her to go to Llano. Let me see, we can add Llano. Llano, I don't know how to even say it, but let's see. We can go to Llano and then go to Marble Falls and then head back over, head back up to drop everybody off. Okay, so that was basically the route. So I gave her this route and I gave her all of the towns that I was interested in buying in. Okay, so Liberty Hill, Bertram, Oatmeal, you could see Oatmeal, Burnett, Buchanan Dam, Bluffton, Llano, Kingsland, Granite Shores, Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Marble Falls, Smithwick maybe. So these kind of like these towns here. This is the area that I was interested in.